Recently, YouTube Shorts have become extremely popular among creators. After watching countless videos, I decided to give it a try myself with the goal of reaching 10,000 views in just 7 days. I chose a niche, created a channel, and started uploading shorts. On day 1, my first short received almost 2,000 views in just 18 hours, which made me quite happy. By day 3, my third short had over 2,000 views, but my first 2 shorts were stuck. Despite this, I was still pleased with the result since this was a brand new channel. By day 7, I had posted a total of 8 shorts and received almost 7,000 views and 26 subscribers. Although I didn't reach my goal, I am happy with the results and plan to share my experience in an upcoming video. If you have any solutions for why my shorts views get stuck, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.